What's good YouTube? In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can get one of this and literally put anything on the screen like I have in my other videos. Alright, so this is a super simple and easy tutorial. 2024, I'm going to make one for 2025. But if this video helps, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Alright, so what you have to do first is go in your island settings. Then once you're in your island settings, you have to go to devices. Then once you're in devices, you have to scroll down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be the fifth option right here where it's the video player. You're just gonna have to click on that. So plays video player right here. Then once you put video player, now once you get video player, you have to go back on YouTube, copy the links of the videos you want. You can literally put anything you want on this TV. Then once you place it, what you have to do is customize video player. Then once you do that, play automatically, make sure that's no. You have to scroll down. Volume, just put whatever you guys want. So I'm gonna put like 5. 5 is like perfect. Scroll down. Looping, I'm gonna turn that off. Restart when stream is loaded, put on yes. Trigger seek time, put that to 5 seconds. Interact time, make sure that's 0. Picture in picture, make sure yes. Picture in picture trigger range, make sure that's 300M. Use green screen, make sure that's on. For the color of the green screen, make sure that's red. Show color values, yes. Should look for data, yes. Go back here. Play automatically, make sure that's no. Volume 5. Now go back on the first one. Video to play custom. Show border, no. Can interact, yes. I'll just click on OK. Now it looks like this. Now you have to customize this, so go back. Go over here and search up the video you guys want. So you can search up the title of the video. So for example, I'm gonna search up my own video. Indestructible. So as you guys can see right here, this is my video playing in the background. So right now I have the volume to 0, but if I want I can put the volume up or down, but I'm gonna just keep it at 0. But this is my video playing right now. So if this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.